Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick Python tutorial. Today, we're going to write a simple program that takes an integer from the user and prints its reverse. For example, if the user enters 123, our program will output 321. It's a fun little exercise to understand loops and basic arithmetic operations in Python. Let's get started. First, we need to get a number from the user. We'll create a variable called n. We use the input function to ask the user for a number with the prompt "enter a number." Since the input function returns a string, we need to convert it into an integer, and we do that using the int function. Next, we'll set up a while loop. This loop will continue to run as long as our number n is greater than 0. Each time the loop runs, we will chip away at the number until nothing is left, and by then, we'll have our reversed number printed. Inside the loop, our first step is to get the very last digit of the number. We can do this using the modulo operator, which is the % modulo. N modulo 10 gives us the remainder when n is divided by 10. For example, if n is 123, 123 modulo 10 will give us 3. We'll store this digit in a variable called r. Now that we have the last digit, we just need to print it to the screen. We use the print function to display the value of r. Our final step inside the loop is to remove the last digit that we just printed. We can do this using integer division, which is the double slash. n/10 divides n by 10 and discards any remainder. So, if n was 123, after this line, n will become 12. The loop then repeats with the new, smaller value of n, and this continues until n becomes 0. And that's it. Let's run the code and see it in action. If I enter 123, it prints 3, then 2, then 1. Perfect. Let's try another number, like 9876. And we get 6789. So, to recap, the loop grabs the last digit, prints it, and then removes it from the number, repeating this process until no digits are left. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.